Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your channel in Slack. So first of all, open up the Slack app. Now after you're at the home page, open up the channel in which you want to remove the member from. I will go for, let's say, this management one. Now once you're here, click on the search bar at the bottom and in here type in /remove. Select this one, remove, and after that type in @ and after that select the member that you want to delete. I will go for, let's say, this second member right here. You just click on it and after that just click on the send button. Now to confirm that the member has been removed, click on the name of the channel and in here you would see all the members that are included. As you can see, I have removed the member, so it's just only me. So that is how you can remove a member from your Slack channel. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a member from your Slack channel. Now once you're in the channel that you want to remove the member from, click on the members button right here, click on it, and in here you will see all the members that are present in the channel. Now to remove a member, click on the remove button besides the username, click on it, click on remove again, and after that the user would be removed from the channel. So that is how you can remove a user from a Slack channel.